Hey guys.
Yo, today
Oh, sorry, what were you talking about?
so today I have, the most high quality of products.
Wait, what was the other one?
The beautiful 1 terabyte SSD. Yeah, it's not that big of a deal.
Yeah, no.
I can get the money back easily from this.
We're making so much dough.
Yeah. Like I got the Strix X570 gaming motherboard. It's so cool.
I love it.
Look, it's purple. And I don't know exactly what it does, but I just know that it can handle the beautiful Core i9. It's beautiful, it has 12 cores, it's 3rd gen processor, whatever that means. Comes with a beautiful LED fan. And for the final thing, I'm gonna like trash all of my RAM and, you know, completely waste all that money and just slap new sticks of RAM in there that are better. 32 gigabytes on them.
Ooh.
It's very, very cool, isn't it? I don't have any energy today. What do you want me to just freaking act like a crackhead while I'm unboxing all this freaking crap?
I don't have any energy either, so.
Like, you know, these are just chill vlogs. There's no energy in these vlogs.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Scribbler.
Like, you guys are probably just like, whoa. All that crap he has, he must be so rich. He just like nothing, he just got all that crap and he's not even excited about it.
He's taking it for granted.
Like, what the frick? Getting crap doesn't equal happiness. Just because I got this, like, I'm so grateful for it, doesn't mean I'm just gonna be like, oh, my life is complete because I got new freaking computer parts. No, it's just, you know, it's cool, but it's just a Core i9.
Yeah, it's just a Core i9.
It's just a Core i9. It's just 1 terabyte SSD. It's just 32 gigabytes of RAM. Like, what does that even mean? Like, caveman would just be like, what?
Huh?
I just know there's sticks and rocks.
Food.
What the frick is RAM? What the frick is Core i9?
Poop.
Like, it's just words that we made up. It's crap that we made up. Like, this probably doesn't amount to anything. And there's like some alien, like, in like 2,000 light years away, just like chilling with a whole freaking house running off a freaking CPU right now. Freaking like Core i100.
Ow.
I'm talking about aliens. Well, now come over here, because I just open it, it's all like the entire thing.
Watch out, Jade.
Look at that. Look, it's rainbow. They spent like 5 hours just designing this to be metallic.
Yeah. But I hope they spend as much time on the motherboard.
Oh my god. Oh, actually, I'm just like breaking out of my like really freaking chillness. But I don't know. It's the same company that made my, you know, graphics card, so it might work a little bit better too.
Oh, the Republic of Gaming.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure Gigabyte does make, like, you know, graphics cards, but I just freaking bought this for it. And that might be why it's kind of weird, but, you know, maybe it doesn't do anything. Maybe it's all the same.
What's in that box?
I just chords. Or right angles. Ooh, it does look good though. Like, what's the frick, that shockproof.
Oof.
It feels heavier too. Probably because this huge freaking chunk of like USBs just chilling. Wait, will that even fit my case?
I mean, we'll have to look.
Seems kind of big. Just like, I don't know.
We'll make it fit.
Isn't that like freaking chunky?
It is a little chunky.
Oh frick.
What?
I can't touch it.
Why not?
My staticky hands.
You got a magnet?
Guys, look at this crap.
We
It's a
should probably
manual.
read that.
Oh, there are the chords.
Hiding under the box.
What is this crap? They're probably gonna like see my freaking number on here and like steal my freaking motherboard. Be like, yo, I bought that. It didn't work.
Are those stickers?
I guess. My freaking Gigabyte didn't come with that freaking crap. Gigabyte doesn't freaking care.
Yeah. These guys are thorough. It's not only about...
They're kind of gay though. Man, it's like the only one I like.
I kind of like the red one.
Just game on. Alright. I feel like I'm doing like a sponsorship video right now.
I feel like I'm getting a terrible angle.
Probably. I probably need my computer over here so I can like dink it, get that static off.
Alright. We're gonna skip to that. Hey guys, it's the Scribbler.
Are you ready? For the most intense dusting ever. Look at that fan. Yeah, you can really see it on the clear fan right there. It's like juicy particles. From the disk drive that I never use for anything. I don't even know why it's there.
That intel.
Alright. Are you ready?
I'm fucking ready.
Dude! That's a lot of ducks.
You see those clouds? They're going right in my face. Hey guys.
Yo. We just dusted it. We just took the motherboard out.
It's gone.
And now it's time to ground ourselves and get stabbed by all the pins in the new motherboard.
Oh yeah. Round 2.
Ooh. Look at that shine. Ooh, it smells good.
Doesn't smell like that freaking power supply.
Smells like motherboard. Yeah, and for all you freaking RAM fetishers, here's the RAM.
I like that Ford truck, but you know, RAM's cool.
You know, it's a little cheap and plasticky, but it's more and it's faster somehow.
And out of focus.
They just didn't care about the design, I guess. Yeah,
They're focusing on functionality.
I'm going to, you know, mess with the motherboard a little bit. You know, get it ready. Just gonna take all the crap out of here.
Yeah, all the covers. They look good.
Yeah, I'm gonna put them back on after. Once I get all the hardware in there and break it. Oh my god. Little wiener. Sometimes they just don't come out. That was, you see, that actually is a little wiener. It's just like a little pin. Like a little tiny bit of spiraling. It's so freaking small.
But yes, you can tell it's like a very thin wiener.
Maybe this will show it. Because that's just, there's just like a hole right there. See how tiny that is? That's how small the wiener was. You even getting like a juicy shot?
I'm getting the screw in. That's all I need to do, right?
Yeah, just gotta get the screw in.
That's my job.
What the frick is this crap? I don't think it's meant to like take these out. I think you're just
oh my god, the mic's off. No, it's on.
What's the freaking ronk here?
It's ronk time. After I'm done screwing this, I'm gonna screw
stripping time. That freaking screw's like gone now.
What?
Well, it's not, but it's
no.
It's stripping a tad bit.
Stop. Shame. It's also magnetic, so.
Ooh-wee. Alright.
I'm not sure. Just be careful with it. Don't give it too much force. You can push down on the top.
It's freaking tight as crap.
Push down on the top and you can
I'm stripping it again.
Alright. We'll be back.
Look at that. There's like a mini fan just chilling in there. It's like blended in though. The cover.
It's like a soul.
Look at that. Okay, yeah, we took the cover off by the way.
It's got a little face like, oh.
He was a little, oh my god, there's more.
More
There's
screw?
more tiny ones.
Yeah, just thumb on the top. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Looking good. But if you feel any, if it's starting to,
Oh my god, it's so like magnetic.
if it's starting to strip it,
I like this case. Not the case, but you know, the motherboard layout.
it is a lot prettier than. But it did you good for a while, but you know, you had to move on to another motherboard.
When your other motherboard starts to get a little old, gotta get a new mother.
Gotta get a new motherboard.
But yeah, look,
Motherboard.
that's where like the crab goes, you know. I just kind of wanted to get this all ready, but I want to start like, you know, I want to have something juicy going on here, not just let me like unscrewing crap. So I'm gonna put this RAM in, probably oh, it's only
the
that one.
lighting is so bad. That's better. Oh wait, the camera can't see.
What the frick? Just gonna put this one in. See if I'm at a good angle.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good, but I don't know. My taste is a little weird.
I'm gonna this pin just go on the pin. You know, watch it just freaking levitates like it's getting like possessed.
When you press it in.
Yeah.
Okay, so you always get it all the way in.
Yeah.
Because it'll close whenever it is. It's kind of cool.
So this, yeah, I got the RAM. It looks pretty freaking good.
Yeah, it does. It looks really good with the motherboard. Like it really fits well. Some
And maybe
lifting.
you should show like how small that slot is, cause this is a lot bigger.
Oh, for the CPU?
Yeah. Like look at this first.
Oh.
Like that's like a big boy. And then if you see inside the box, like the CPU's a little bigger this time, but
The big heavy box for sure.
yeah, it's got a lot of freaking crap in it probably. But that one over there is like a freaking baby boy.
I mean, I dropped the graphics card real quick.
You probably can't tell that's smaller, but it is.
Yes, I mean, it's just what's in between this.
Crab now. Welcome to my unboxing video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Ryzen 3rd gen processor, 12 core
Sweet.
Ryzen processor. Or CPU, whatever the frick you Americans call it. Okay, wait. Let me get this freaking nasty sticker off. I mean, it's kind of juicy.
Use my screwdriver.
What?
Oh wait, no, you got it.
I mean, it's a little nasty. It's like when your teacher tells you to like rip out a freaking page in the book, and you're just like, it's like tear out like the entire freaking book.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, but it was kind of a cool sticker. It had some juicy design on it. Oh.
What?
Frick? That sticker was the only thing holding it. I can just open it just fine. Look at that. That's the Core i9. Basically the Core i9. I mean, it's not like Intel that just says Core i9, but it says 9 on it. so I'm guessing it's a Core i9. Dang. This is a lot. This is not a lot heavier, but it's still a bit heavier than the other one.
So what is that with it?
A sticker.
Oh, okay.
Just to say that you have a Core i9.
That's kind of cool.
I'm just gonna put that on my door so everyone knows I have a Core i9.
Well, and it's nice just to like know what you have in your computer without like looking inside the computer.
What the frick's going on here?
Well,
it's like pin. That one was just like flat surfaces.
Well, I mean, look at what it's going into. This is the male CPU chip. It's got prongs to go inside of the motherboard.
But I don't remember what like corner this goes on.
I know.
I do. Look. It's a little bit like there's nothing filled in right there.
Yeah, but what the heck is this?
I know what that is.
Do you?
You're just stupid. Here, you gotta get that satisfyingness. I didn't mean that.
Don't break the prongs.
I'm not breaking the freaking prongs. It's in. Breaks the freaking prongs.
I was just giving him a little wiggle. Okay, yeah, that is the arrow. I just couldn't see it over here.
Look at it. Look at it.
Stop it!
Oh my god. There you go.
Because that thing gets hot.
Here's the beautiful fan that they like provide. Hopefully it's better than Intel's, because theirs is a little bit gay and rusty looking.
And it was like sitting real close up against that CPU. Like the motor of it too.
What's going on here?
Holy crap! Is that a water cooling system?
I think it's a freaking filter from my pool.
What the frick? Them fins. How's that gonna fit in this?
I don't know. Oh my god, I freaking got some thermal paste on my freaking thumb.
Oh, thermal paste. Yeah.
It's like all over the bottom. I don't have to put this on.
We'll be right back.
Yeah. Okay.
You think that big wiener is gonna fit in that little wiener?
That's the best way to explain it. This isn't even gonna go in there.
Oh shoot. That's a big wiener.
It's too freaking small.
Okay, hold
on. Yeah, we can't just like, be holding the camera. We just gotta work on this crap. So it might be a little weird and awkward for a second. But, the computer is gonna be juicy afterwards. That's all that matters, even though you guys probably don't freaking give a crap.
Oh, the camera's on.
Yeah, we're gonna put this in here, then maybe try to connect some crap, and then do something with the freaking hard drives. So yeah.
Ow.
Ah! I'm stripping.
Is it?
Yes.
Stop then. Stop. It's my screwdriver. I need to get a new one.
What's your wiener?
Take that back!
Oh.
It's red food bug. Ooh. Yeah.
This way?
No. The way you were going.
You said no to both freaking ways.
That's in there.
I think it came with the case. So the machine that was drilling the screws in was just like didn't stop.
That's as deep as that'll go.
We can go deeper than that. Ooh, look, it's Negan. Time to get shot. Everyone was just like, nah. It's Negan.
Oh wait, it's Negan.
Good boy.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put this in? Forgot about that. Like we're just taking the fans out for fun.
Negan, what the frack?
Get out here!
You just gotta be like right there. You're okay, Negan. It's just,
Wait, was that a screw?
Yeah, mama.
Wait. What does it look like over there? Okay.
Just the camera angle. Yeah, freaking big old head, just like chilling. Just like, hey, how you doing, guys?
I wonder if we're gonna be
Hey
able to
guys,
get the graphics
it's
card
the
in
Scribbler. This is just me now. I'm just a computer.
And the Negamon.
Today we're gonna be reaching the Where the frick are those screws?
What screws?
The rest of them.
I
Or
don't know.
the screwdriver. You know the thing that you screws in with?
up because it's not aligned.
It is aligned.
It is not. Look
It's
at the
aligned.
screws.
It's aligned. I think it is it.
Probably.
Yeah, that's it basically.
Basically. Are these? Is the question.
Basically. Yeah, it's a little better.
How many screws do you have?
Hey guys, it's screw there.
Count them. You want me to?
There's only 2 more. And then there's 2 holes too. There's 2 holes. 2 holes left to screw.
Okay.
Then we're done. The motherboard is secured.
And it's looking sexy as hell.
Yeah.
God damn.
Like it's that matte
Looks
black
like that,
finish
ew.
on everything. Yeah, that freaking gay old one. Ew. Like everything's black now. Or is that just the entire freaking sticker?
You just pull it out the sticker.
Alright. No, I didn't. Oh!
It's beautiful.
Look at that. Pristine. I've kept this thing pristine for this many years. This light's like really like close to it, so it might look a little like washed out. I might need to do some color grading. But look at that. I got this like in 2018 and it's still at peak quality. Like I could sell this on Letgo for like $500. Oof. I took all my wiener.
Ruin the wiener. Wait. Why is this not? Okay.
They wienered everything.
Ruin the wiener.
Freak. Why is that so difficult? Out of nowhere. Probably isn't, but I'm just like having a freaking like, mental crackdown while I'm trying to do this.
Okay.
That's like what my counselor said when I told them all my freaking crack.
Okay. It says enter. Yo, what are you doing here? Did you finish it?
Just on the carpet. Oh, also I finished the computer.
Oh.
And it's like upgraded to level 2.
What, the fin on it?
Yeah.
That is like prestige?
It's like Clash of Clans. There's just gonna be spikes all over it, then it's gonna eventually turn into gold. Then crystal.
Oh. Alright, we gonna turn it on?
Yeah, turn it on. But yeah, they're just minor upgrades. And there's also a freaking thing stuck to the lens.
I thought I felt something. Oh.
It's not even turned on. The power.
Oh.
You can get at it. You can't even see the freaking CPU cooler.
Pristine.
But like this,
Yeah, we might need a bigger window.
it kind of looks very like typical, and I don't really like how like, you know, cliche it looks, because it's like I feel like everybody has that. But
I feel like it would be cool if we program the colors.
it is.
I'm not sure that is.
Just, I don't know. I like that. I like originality, even though I'm never original.
It's kind of cracked out with how many.
Because I'm literally on the
different
freaking floor. Somebody's already done that.
colors it has.
Which
Yeah.
honestly, I had the idea to go into the floor a long time ago to do videos, but I feel like it was kind of freaking retarded. It would be low quality, but it isn't. Somebody freaking took it. You guys already know who took it.
Don't even give them. Don't even give them.
The
that
number one
small-
YouTuber in the world took it.
God dang.
Which is why it's so
Freaking
painful.
Person. Like, Ow.
Spine fractured. Oh, I should probably turn it on. I think it's connected to the. You got the.
Base your man.
Yeah, I have a monitor. This is basically just a setup tour
Oh.
number 2. Since I didn't like show my computer off in the last one.
That's the old CPU fan. I
Yeah,
think we
it's
showed
like
it already, but
crusty.
then that's the new
You can
one.
use that to cool myself. Oh wait, the stickers.
Oh, we didn't
Look.
put the stickers on.
Look at the stickers. It's Japanese. Look, it's a Japanese sticker. You probably can't even see that.
That's the one that I liked. Other than that one that you liked.
Japanese on it.
I can't. There's the focus.
Ew.
Here's the Negan.
It's uncentered. Just doesn't look that good.
It's I mean, there's a little peel there.
I think I have a good idea.
It looks pretty good. I like
Look at
it.
that.
Little things on the side.
Yeah. So that if anyone freaking tries to steal my PC, they'll just be like, "Yo, he has an Asus motherboard." It's like one of the security systems where they put up like the signs.
Wait, he has an Asus motherboard. Let's get out of here.
What the frick?
Joke's on you. I don't even have an Asus motherboard. Just have the stickers.
Oh.
That's how I was doing. There's candy, do you think?
Yeah. I was just making a joke of that.
I put a crappy one on. Put that shield sticker on the top and mine looks retarded now.
A shield sticker?
Yeah, like this shield thing.
Like from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D.?
No.
Oh.
I feel like I should put this one on too, because I like it.
motherboard.
It's not even coming off.
Where would you put it?
Just. Where were the other ones?
I'm surprised it came with so many stickers.
It looks kind of gay. Like, it literally looks gay because it's rainbow, but it's like.
I'm gonna see if mine came with that many stickers.
Looks okay. Right?
Yeah. I need more stickers, and I feel like it's just gonna be overkill. But, or you're gonna have to overkill it and put stickers like every square inch of it to make it look good. Hey.
What are you doing here?
We're gonna go do something with the PC.
What do you mean?
Are we gonna try like turn it on or something?
Oh, what's up?
Yeah.
It's been like 80 years.
Feels like it. It's dark.
We went through the apocalypse.
We got some Red Baron pizzas, I think,
Yeah.
along the way somewhere. I don't know how we got. How did we get those?
We turned our RAM the other way because it was backwards. It can actually go on the monitor now. This is actually the finished product now. It's gonna be lit up. Don't you worry.
No, it's just out of focus now. I mean, it's focusing on you. Oh, I see what you... okay. As long as it turns on.
Yeah, I think we fixed it this time though.
Alright guys, we're back.
Oh my god.
It works.
Yeah.
Wait, where's your leather jacket go?
What do you mean?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh,
Cool.
look at that.
So we got lights. We got stuff on the
Public of
display.
gamers. It's beautiful.
Let me see that passcode, dude. Let me see that passcode. And we're back. Verified. Verified. Retarded. Retarded.
Yeah, it works. Seems like it's loading up pretty freaking quick too.
Maybe.
You know, a lot of people have set up tours and they explain it. So, if you don't, then like, whatever, just freaking look it up. Or I can teach you beautifully, but yes, you already know we got that freaking Core i9.
Yes.
We got the GTX, 1080,
Graphic card.
650, power thingy that powers stuff.
Which we were gonna upgrade, maybe.
Yeah, because, I mean, we thought that the problem was that we didn't have enough power to run all this new crap.
But it was just the RAM being.
Yeah, the RAM was just
wrong.
backwards, though. I mean, I don't know. There isn't really too much. I mean, 32 gigabytes of RAM.
Yes, that's a decent amount, and it's in the right way now.
Yeah. So it can actually work now. You know.
Oh, you got the memory things that are like in there. Deep.
Probably shouldn't touch crap. Yeah. We put in the memory, but
One right there.
Come over
That's
here.
the crappy one.
We got this. Can you even see it? But this is 1 terabyte of like the solid state drive that we have in there, and it's
Focus.
yeah.
Focus for a second.
I'm trying to transfer
There it is.
not transfer, but I'm just trying to like delete some files and fix these drives before I like take it out and all that crap. Then I'll put this one in. So yeah, that will eventually be put in here. But I think this is pretty juicy now. It was juicy before, and it was juicy without the graphics card. But I think I can edit smoothly, record smoothly, and live stream smoothly now.
We'll see.
Or just better than most people, I guess. I don't know. If I actually learn how to stop being lazy and just do crap. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. That was my computer setup basically.